Okay, Mr. Richard is joining us from Hamilton. Oh wow. There's a bit feedback. Are you receiving? Oh. Let's wait for others to join us. Let's wait for others to join. Oh, Mr. Rosa, you're welcome. Please, where are you joining us from? Can you put on the chat box, let's have you, and where you're joining us from? You can type that on the chat box, where you're joining us from. Ogun State. Okay, that's good. You're welcome, sir. Good to have you. Good to have you, sir. You're welcome. Awesome. I want to believe everyone can hear me vividly, right? Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Awesome. Awesome. Perfectly well. Awesome. That's good. Awesome. Awesome. Mr. Adeyinka Adebayo. I used to know this name. Sounds familiar. Is it the same Adeyinka? Let me see your face. Can I see your face, sir? I'm familiar with that name. Mr. Adeyinka. Are you there, sir? Are you there? Can you hear me? Welcome, everybody. So, Mr. Richard, sorry, where are you joining us from? Okay. Oh, sorry. Enugu, you said that before. Sorry. Okay. We have Mr. Richard from Enugu. We have Rosa from Ogun State. Yes. Mr. Who again? Okay. Okay. I'm live in Lagos. I'm streaming from live in Lagos studio. Awesome. Awesome. I think Mr. is having a fluctuation in his network. Mr. Adeyinka. I used to be familiar with that name. Adeyinka Adebayo somehow. He used to be our student. Anyway, let me start with this. Mr. Richard, we saw you first. You joined the meeting first. Can you tell us what are your expectations for this meeting? What are the expectations? What are the things you're looking out for looking out to learn, what are things you are expecting? And you just put it out on the chat board and let's see, so we can gather help and know our area of focus. Mr. Richard should go first. What are your expectations from this 2-week intensive bootcamp? Free 2 weeks intensive bootcamp mentorship we are giving to everybody. What are your expectations? Well, this looks quite generic. You're not being specific actually. If it is technical analysis, the aspect of analysis, the price action, you know, there are many aspects of technical analysis. The market structure, the candlestick, the this, the that, there are many. Can just narrow it down. So an area that we can look out for. But if you say generic, if you say general, no problem. It's not a big deal. But we just want a specific layout so that we can pick each and every individual's main points and be able to trash on that during this journey so that everybody can be beneficial. So we can all, I want to learn price action. Okay, good, awesome. Someone said I want to learn price action. That is one of the co-factor of the market. Once you understood that, you should be fine. 80%. As much as technical analysis is concerned anyway. That's for TA. If you know price action, you should be fine. 80%, 70%, let me say that. With TA, you should be fine. 70 to 50% should be fine. And the next thing to know is market structure. You're welcome. Those part, Justin. Please let us know where you're joining us from. Can you type on the chat box? Let's know where you're joining us from.
From Nigeria.
Yeah, we're in Nigeria.
Abuja, ABC.
Abuja. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Justice.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir. So what are expectations for tonight? And then in this 2 weeks intensive journey, what are expectations? What are the things you're looking out for? What are the things you are expecting to learn? Okay, I'm with you, sir. I'm with you.
What did you say?
What are the things you're looking out for? What are the things you tend to learn in this journey?
I would like to know more about the candlesticks. Like, that would feel more better to analyze markets on my own. Most times I do copy the truth. I find it difficult to analyze markets on my own.
Okay, and market analysis. That's TA. All right. Thank you. What about Rosa, that's joining us from Ogun State? What are the things you're looking out for? And what are the expectations for this journey? Free mentorship journey. What are the expectations you're looking at?
Well, my expectations is not too much though.
Okay, sir. And why?
Yes, I just want to be able to learn how to read the chart myself.
How to read the chart. Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome. That's technical analysis. How to read the chart. Awesome.
Yes.
Market structure. Awesome. Sumade FX. Sorry if I don't pronounce that name very right. Sumade FX. You're welcome, sir. Please, where are you joining us from, please? Let's have you. United States. Awesome. Good to have you, sir. You're welcome. And what are your expectations for this intensive journey mentorship so far? What are the things you are expecting to learn? What are the things you're looking at for your pain points? The pain point that I really want to learn, this pain point is a pain point to me, has been having issues on it. So what are the things, that pain point is 1 or 2, and just list them out. You can put it on the chat, or you can unmute yourself and speak. Are you there, sir? Mr. Sumade, are you there? Can you hear me? Please put it on the chat board. What are your expectations for tonight and the journey of the mentorship so far? What are your expectations? What are the things you are looking out to learn? Put it out on the chat board, please. So we can know where to narrow all our points. I joined the Zoom. Yes, I understand you joined to Telegram. Just tell us what are things you want to learn, your expectation, what are the things you're looking out for. I would love to learn this and this and this. I've been struggling with this for the past months, for the past years, for the past decades. I just want a clarity on, something like that. Your main point, your pinpoint, psychology, awesome, 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 awesome. That's fantastic. Without wasting much of our time, I would love to. We have a bit of let's go into something today so we can gain something. How many participants are we now? Okay, why others join us? Let's do something. Let's start from psychology. Let's do something. Why is it that? Are you there, guys? Can you hear me? Why is it that if you notice something, for example, okay, let's say you pick up a signal, you use 0.01, the signal went good. Oh, you couldn't make much. Probably you make $2 or $3. Later on, the next signal that came, or let's say 2 to 3, the next signal that came, you broke even. The third one, I think just increased to one lot size. Or you double down all your small accounts. Probably you are trading on another account, just use 0.5 and you open like 3 to 4, 5 or 6 positions, thinking it will as well go well. And it automatically turns against you. Most times we say what? Village people or what? Can you hear me, guys? Hello? Can I get the feedback? Can you hear me? Okay, perfect. Mr. Isa said big yes. We're like, what happened? Why is it that when I increase, now this thing can't go against me? Why? That is one psychology. I will answer the question. Why? You now reduce again. The stock goes well. And you were like, wait, what's going on? You reduce again, the stock goes well. And you're like, wait, are they really following me? Is it great people or what? Just psychology. No one is following you. In fact, no one even knows you exist in the market. For the fact that you're not bringing in billions of dollars, you are still not a retail trader. Even though it is a millions of dollars, you're still a retail trader. You are still what? A pure retail trader. You are still what? A pure retail trader. You are still what? A pure retail trader. A pure one. The fact you're bringing on the chart, you're bringing billions of dollars, trillions of dollars ahead, then you cannot be competing with the banks, the JP Morgans and the likes. Aside from that, another scenario, you use one position. It went well, position went well. Now, using one position, you just felt, let me double this position, and you open all your positions so that you can make much more. There are times you do that, it has always been moving so fast. Within 1 minute, 2 minutes, it moves so fast and eats your TP. But by the time you double your positions, it eats so fast, and then you start to double your positions, and they didn't eat like that, and you're like, sorry guys, I'll be right back. So sorry, I'm back. Sorry, I'm back. So you now realize that that's when the thing now went against you. These are what psychology issues. I will trash them out. Let me lay a foundation. How to solve psychology issues. Number one, write it down. Proper risk management. We talk about this very well. Proper risk management. And you cannot have a proper risk management if you don't have what? A set rules that guides you. You always notice that if there is a set rule, even though it is 0.1 that is set rules, it's always difficult for humans to stay disciplined. Am I talking to somebody? Are you there, guys? It's always hard and difficult for humans. You know, it's against, what you should understand about the market is that you are doing what is against your being. You are doing what is against your natural self. Psychology. What makes the market difficult is psychology. Because of what? It's opposite of what human being would do. For example, human beings are rational and this and that. Opposite of it is what the market expects you to be doing. That's why if you set out a robot, it will already deliver because of what? It will take away emotions out of it. And the robot will just deliver the strategy you put into it and it will work. So the market requires what? That you do opposite of exactly the thing you're meant to do normally. That's why what? Okay, for me to champion psychology, I need to what? 2-3 things. Number one, you need a set rules. That's what people say, you plan set, how to plan, you plan your trade, you plan yourself into the trade. A set rules. Am I talking? Someone should type down on the chat board so I can know that you're following. A set rules. You have to have a plan, a trading plan. I must enter this. I must use 0 point. If I'm trading $100, I must use 0 point so. If I'm trading 1,000, if I'm trading profit, I must switch 0.5. I must switch 0.1. I must switch 1%. So that set rules, if you can stay with for that set for 6 months, I bet you it will fraction something in you and help your psychology a lot. It's become difficult because we hardly find time to. If you set go, if you follow it today, follow it 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. By the time you do, the 3rd week you will be prompted and tempted to want to overload it. Because of what? My setup is sure now. I'm being much lately. By the time you decide to go outside of that set rules, then you now see that the big banks will just try to take away your stop loss. It's not, sometimes you lose market not because you are wrong with the bias of the movement, but because of the market complications, market conditions, because of the market dynamism. That sometimes you just lose. Which is a spike, boom, take you out and still go your other direction. You're like, fuck, what's this? That is not your fault. It's just the market dynamism. Those who are bigger than you, who are putting more money, they can spike it down, they can spike it up. Am I talking to somebody? Are we together, guys? Awesome. It is just you're just bigger than you. So one thing to help you to I want to start with psychology so that later on, as we get to move on, we start the real practical, then we can go into technical analysis. So psychology is all about understanding some things and putting them in place. It's very, you can use more to say it from now to next year. You have to put an action into that. Welcome, Mr. Toby Preston. Please let us know where you're joining us from. You can type that on the chat board. Thank you. So it's all about that. That's psychology for you. That's psychology for you. Mr. Stoby, let us know where you're joining us from, please. Mr. Stoby, type it and let's know where you're joining us from. So that's psychology for you. One, you have to set rules, a set plan to enter trade, execute trade, take profit, and everything. You have to have it. Oh, I'll be taking partial profit. So once my trade moves so I'll be taking this. You have to have a set rules. I will not trade such trade of what when I'm against the market, when I'm following I'll always follow the you know, you have to have a set rules. That's one. So champion psychology, those set rules we must engage in them, not more than 1 month, 2 months. If you can master it for 2, 3, 4 months, I'm telling you, man, you champion psychology. Psychology is a thing that even when you are professional, you still fight with it because of what it's against woman. I always think I'm a disciplined, I'm very disciplined, very, very principled, very, By the time the market will test you out, will test your discipline, will test your patience. You think if you are patient, I am patient, I'm not greedy, I'm not greedy, I believe whichever religion you do, whether you're Muslim or you're Christian or you're traditional, anyone. I do this, I'm not greedy. The market will reveal that you're greedy. The market will tell you that you are greedy. Tell me, I should tell someone, tell me go and be that pastor. Tell me go and trade for us. You'll be greedy. Until the market has stopped in. I will tell you, no matter, I'll tell you, go and be a man of God. And let's place them on the trade. They'll be greedy. Because they are making money, they're saying, a time will come, they want to go against something. And that's when greediness comes in. So number one is what? Let me say something good. You have to have what? A set rules. Number two, a risk management that works. A risk management that works. You must have a proper risk management that works. For example, people don't understand that when this management is not the same thing as lot sizes. No, it's different thing. Let me establish that. With that two things you will learn today, we have learned something. This management is all about managing your risks. How do I mean? You can be using 0.1 on probably 50K account, 100K account, I don't know. But your how much you want to risk on that 0.1? That is random loss size. You're using what 10 pips or 20 pips. I mean you lose $20. Can you see? So it is not about your lot sizes that is risk management. No. It's about your lot sizes and then the risks you are risking together. That must match. Now you can be risking 0.5 or 0.10 and you are risking 100 pips. You will still lose the same amount. Can you see? I don't know if you are following me. Is somebody following me? Let me come back again. This management is not about using lot sizes or changing lot sizes. People always think, oh, I need to do risk management. Let me use 0.01. No, you have to ask yourself how much you want to read in this trade and how much losses am I using. These are the things that makes up your risk management. Am I talking to someone? So this is what I'm saying about your risk management. It has to be the two of them. How matching are they? Am I talking to somebody? Are you following, guys? You are following. I want to type yes, yes, yes. You are following. I want to type yes, yes, yes. Let's. Sorry, let me tell you something. I will start this recording back. Awesome. Mr. Richard is following. Let me tell you something. I will start this recording back. Sorry. Let me stop the recording. Awesome. Mr. Richard is following. Mr. Toby is following. Mr. Toby, please let us know where you're joining us from, please. Type it there. Let us know where you're joining us from. Let me stop the recording.